guys, welcome to Miles VIP. Today we have the stunning and one of the best selling car of this segment, the Kia Seltos. So we will be taking the 100 km mileage test on this car. This is the diesel automatic 1.5 liter turbocharged diesel engine which produces 114 bhp and 250 of torque. So we will be taking a test drive of this car, so stay tuned. So guys, this is the instrument cluster and now we will reset the MID. Average fuel reset, driver information reset, accumulated info reset. Everything is reset. Now let's complete our 100 km mileage test. Let's go. Mumbai's metro work halting our drive for 2-3 minutes. .40 kilometers in the drive and the current mileage stands at 22.8. It was a healthy 26-27 on the highway, but once we entered the city inside Karjat, it has come down to 22.8. Let's see how we get in our further drives. It comes loaded with lots of features. It has got ventilated front seats for both passenger and driver. It has got automatic with Tiptronic function. It has got 10.25-inch UVO connected Bose infotainment system, and it has also got the sunroof. So we are at the rear. The cabin is very spacious and airy. The legroom space is very comfortable, and the under thigh support is also very sufficient. It's a very comfortable for 6-footers also. It has got this foldable rear armrest with cup holders, and there is one more feature which is called the Smart Pure Air, which actually cleans the inside air within no time and gives you a fresh and pure air when you are inside the cabin. This is the 433 liter boot space. It is sufficient enough to carry 3 to 4 big baggages, sufficient enough for your long trip journey. I have shared some features about this variant with you, but this video is mainly about our 100 km test drive which we take. The car is very spacious, very comfortable to drive. The engine is fantastic and the gear shift is very smooth. Continuing further, the gear changes are not felt at all, irrespective of the situation, whether there is an incline or a quick overtake. The front seats are usually comfortable and the driver's seat gets electronically adjustable for height and reach. The seating position is higher, which gives a commanding view of the road ahead. The steering is light, which makes it very easy to drive in city conditions. It weighs up properly at highway speeds. High-speed driving is very assuring due to the all-4 disc brakes. The suspensions are very comfortable and the minor undulations of the roads are not felt at all inside the cabin. You can cross minor bumps or speed breakers without breaking your speed. The bridge joints and other small potholes are not felt at all inside the cabin. So 90 kilometers in the drive and the current mileage stands at 24, which is a very healthy mileage for a SUV like Kia Seltos. Let's see when we complete a 100 km test what we get. Stay tuned for the final figure. Set the AC temperature to 22.
Setting temperature to 22 Celsius.
So we have completed our 100 kilometer mileage test. We completed 110 kilometers and we got a mileage of 24 kilometers per liter, which is outstanding for a beautiful SUV like Kia Seltos. So let's talk to the owner of this car and see what is his views on the outstanding mileage. Let's get down. So we have the owner of this car with us. I thank you for giving your car to Miles by EV. Let's see how do you feel about the 100 kilometer mileage test.
Yeah, the test was quite impressive. Never ever thought of getting an average. Many thanks to my dear friend Evie for taking the opportunity and letting me as well as other proud owners of Seltos know that what a great mileage a car can deliver. And one more thing, I just wanted to let my dear friend know that just keep on posting these kind of knowledgeable videos of all various different cars, so that other customers and proud owners of the respective cars, they come to know about their mileage and the durability, how to maintain the durability of the car.
Thank you sir. Thank you so much for such good reviews. Thank you so much.
All the best for the good work and for the upcoming videos of your different cars.
Thank you. That's it from Miles by EV. Stay tuned for next video, which will be coming soon.